Hey everybody, welcome back into the channel. Is Luna Classic ever going to recover? You can see it's up today by 2.49%, trading at $0.00015. Nearly $1 billion market cap, but we can see the last 3 months it's been a constant downtrend for Terra Luna Classic, and the bulls, the community, is no longer thriving. There's not enough morale or trade volume to get this coin pumping, and there certainly is not enough burning across the entire ecosystem. We can see Luna Classic in terms of United Kingdom search volume. We can see it is slightly increasing this last week, so we are getting more trend, more search volume and more interest, and I imagine this would also reflect globally as well, but we're not really seeing an increase in the level of price. So looking at Terra Luna Classic over here, or Luna Classic, we can see it did hit 0.00059 back in September 2022. Of course, we had a much better market sentiment. Everything was more bullish at the time, and it has been a constant downtrend since the overbought position on the RSI. Looking at the last 3 weekly candles, 3 significantly strong candles, as we can see, trading in what almost looks like a bit of a symmetrical triangle, but there is significant selling pressure every single time at around this kind of resistance over here on the top resistance trend line. So I imagine we'll get back there at some point, but we will probably see a significant amount of selling pressure or at this resistance of $0.000185. So that's one thing I'm looking at, these long wicks on the candles, which do reflect selling pressure, which isn't really that good for the bulls. We can see we are printing a red daily candle at the moment, so we have to rely on this support of 0.000152. If we lose that support, then we could come down to a lower level, guys. Just need to move this a bit because it's changed. So it would actually be around about 0.000146. But if we lost that support, we could retest the 1.3 level, which of course would be very, very bad for the bulls in general. But yeah, guys, it's interesting to see what's actually happening here, because whilst this is a bit of a triangle and we are printing higher lows, as you see, it is still a bit of a broadening horizontal channel, which is not that good, to be honest. It shows a lot of volatility, and we're not really certain about the trajectory right now of Luna Classic. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10k. Join the Discord down below. It's where we're looking at loads of 10x potential coins, as well as pre-sales. We've got signals, and we just got loads of crypto talk in general. So there's hundreds of people here you can connect with, make friends with. Do find yourself there. The link is down below. In terms of the burning, what's going on with Luna Classic? Well, we're not seeing as much as we'd hoped for. There was a huge burn at the beginning of December, but since then, it's been rather stagnant. We can see the total amount of Luna Classic tokens now burnt is 0.53%, as we see on the left-hand side here. That's, I think, 37 billion tokens. So that's significant, but it's still not enough to get the price really moving forward. But you can see here, 5 years down the line, there should be around 8.5% of the total supply burn. So that is the forecast here. So even 5 years, it's not going to give us enough burning to get really excited about and start, taking our tops off. So yes, I think stay pragmatic. Don't get lured into the idea of buying into it. We see lots of bullish tweets like this one here talking about all the different proposals, but they're not really doing anything in the short term. I think they look good, but are they actually doing anything that is amazing? I think, in my opinion, Luna Classic, even though it was this hard fork that was made, I think really it just kind of lured everyone in that was getting hopeful to recover what they actually lost, and it was the only thing pumping at the time. So the entire blockchain market was just, all the money was just funneling in from everything else because people were so bored. I remember everything was trading sideways. The only thing moving back in September was literally Luna Classic. So literally it was in the limelight. I do not see this particular ecosystem as having any real long-term value, and even the community is completely dead, in my honest opinion. So alternatively, you could look at some pre-sales like the Dash to Trade one that we're looking at now. They've raised $12.5 million. Only 2 days left until this pre-sale ends, guys. So if you do want to get into a pre-sale opportunity, you can check out the Dash to Trade link down below. All you've got to do is connect your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum or USDT, and you can grab some Dash to Trade tokens. I have a load here, as you can see. It's really, really cool. Do some research on it. Dash to Trade is a really cool analysis crypto trading platform designed for traders, built by traders. So have a look at that pre-sale. A little plug for you guys. The fear and greed index today is also sitting at 26. So we have got fear in the markets. interesting, really interesting start to the new year, because looking at crypto bubbles, you know, the altcoins are doing rather well. Solana's doing great, Flow is doing great, Bit's doing good. Bitcoin is just still sitting at $16,600. It's really waiting to make that decisive move. So I think right now I'm going to stay away from Luna Classic, but it's worth looking at every now and then. I think, you know, altcoins still going to be really strong for the future, but I think Dash to Trade and pre-sales are certainly a stronger alternative at the moment. Anyway, guys, that's about a wrap this video. Like I say, if you're new to the channel, come to the Discord, come say hi. It's really a great place to be this crypto winter, so you can learn and gain all the knowledge you need by the next crypto bull run. I'll see you soon, guys, and stay crypto safe. Bye for now.